There are so many online recipes out there. It's important to pick and choose the right one. Food, they say, is first eaten by the eye. So if you pick and choose the right one, you can make the simplest of recipes very attractive. Today I'm going to make baked French toast. If you remember our old Bombay toast, which was given to us as kids, it's just a tweak on that. But if you give kids Bombay toast today, they are not going to be too happy about it. So I have used the same ingredients to tweak it a little bit and make it more attractive and suitable to their palate. So for today's recipe, I'm going to use shredded bread. This is 4 cups of shredded bread, shredded by hand coarsely. There's 1/4 cup sugar. Sugar, of course, can be substituted with maple syrup or honey, but always get the basic recipe right and then you can do your substitution. There's 1½ cup milk, 2 eggs, pure vanilla extract, a little salt, a pinch of cinnamon powder, and today's topping I've used strawberry preserve. So it's very easy to make this. You can add the milk and the eggs and give it a good little stir. Add the sugar, a pinch of salt, a pinch of cinnamon powder, a teaspoon of vanilla extract, mix well and add the shredded bread inside the. So once you've mixed all the ingredients and soaked the bread, ideally keep it for 2 hours in the refrigerator or overnight. So usually I do it overnight, so when you wake up in the morning, I just turn on the oven, preheat it at 175 and then just bake it. So once you've refrigerated the bread mixture for at least 2 hours or overnight like I do, then you just place a spoonful of the bread mixture into the muffin tray. Put around halfway through and fill the muffin tray. At this stage you can add chocolate chips or any other filling of your choice, but I'm going to show you just a plain one so that you can make your own substitutions and additions soon after. So once you fill the muffin tray, you can bake it for around 15 to 20 minutes at a preheated oven of 175 degrees. Unmold the baked French toast into a dish. Once the baked French toasts are unmolded from the muffin tray, put any topping. I have chosen a strawberry topping because my kids love strawberry. So as you tweak these simple day-to-day recipes and make it look a little exotic, so what you need to always remember is that you should know what you want it to finally taste. That's what's important. So here's a simple Bombay toast turned into French toast, turned to French toast cups, tweaked to make it a little more exotic.